In a world that moves at the speed of thought, the ability to innovate, adapt, and lead is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. You are the chosen ones, future leaders of Gamuda Land, stepping into the realm where challenges are opportunities and ideas are the currency of success. This is where your journey of transformation begins. Through the lens of design thinking, you will learn to see the world differently, to empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, not just to solve problems, but to discover opportunities where others see none. The future is yours to shape, with every decision, every challenge, and every victory recorded as milestones along your path. Welcome to the forefront of leadership. Welcome to the future of Gamuda Land.
The most important thing I think for all of us we have learned is this word, empathy. After that, we also talk about these three things: desirability, viability, and feasibility. It requires tweaking, it requires innovation to make it better.
We want to make you feel and experience this lovely journey with us and make 24/7 as your first and last love.
In this kit, you'll be provided with a planner, and you can pick and choose the activities that you want to do for the 2 days and 1 night staycation.
And with this, the best thing is it can be replicable across GL Township, not just in Malaysia, but also overseas. And today, we need the support from you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you our first in Asia Gamuda Land gamified town.
We are providing a hassle-free lifestyle so that we are giving back the time to our residents for what truly matters. And thirdly, this service can be a form of reward.
We are selling the future. Therefore, we propose to adopt readily available technology to enhance our sales propositions. The content created, we can turn into a VR video, upload into sales gallery to reach a broader audience.
So you would be the person who would support Gamuda in the future. So I think Gamuda is in a good hand. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Can't agree more.
I'm very impressed with the empathy work that you have done. And just make empathy as a culture, a lot of things can be solved and innovated.
I'm really proud of you. I didn't expect this kind of result. Yeah. I pray that all of you will continue to do so. You carry it through your work, and I wish you every success. Right.
Thank you, Mr. Ngan.
When we started this program, the initial objective is really to change the way we work. To my surprise, that the result is impressive. Thank you, Munira, Hanif, and the team. You already give them very good guidance, and I'm really glad and happy that this result is really impressive. I'm very proud of all of you. Thank you for all your effort over the last 6 months. I see all the pictures. Actually, I myself also feel emotional. You know, when the first presentation come out, actually a slight tears coming from the side. So I just put like that. Say,
Thank you very much, Dragons and Wailun. Well done, GTIs. Give yourself a round of applause.
I'm sure you've gone through a lot of things in the 5 months. Some emotional time, drama time. So what I did was I told Mr. Ngan Wailun, you can't expect me to guarantee you immediate results straight away. But what I can guarantee you is incremental development of the participants. And then they came back and said, okay, Mira, if you think incremental is the way, then let's do it lah. It's not a transactional thing. It's a transformational thing.
It cannot be just about making money. It needs to have that element of you want to help people. And I really feel that I think our role here is not only about, trying to make a living out of it, but also to see people develop and progress. This type of journey is where it will land it better. And we really hope, personally for me also, there are certain learning and experience that you can take from GTI and see whether you can implement it a bit into your daily work.
I mean, this is my first time that I actually gone through a long training. Emotional thing actually get into me. That I see the personal growth within our team. I hope that the entire team can just show the result. Result will be the final measurement of your personal development.
TI is interesting because I get to know everybody here. Good thing is that we have Alvin with us. A round of applause to Alvin. So yesterday actually quite tense up. After the whole thing talking, you want to get roasted by Suen again. You know how bad Suen roast, her eyes look at you like going to kill you like that. I can relate with their team, every night like 11:30, if I'm there, I'm sure kena goreng.
We care about the thing that we do. The whole team have their heart towards what we do. If not, we will not pull up what we have done just now. Without Suen inside this team you will never see what we are doing. The growth that we have and the care that she gives us, the time. And I want to thank Jess also, because she actually believed in it. Same goes to the whole team.
Throughout the whole 6 months, I actually watched each and every one of you grow. From not believing the program to actually unconsciously or consciously applying what you all learn. Keep on practicing this and then pass it on, because I think it's useful not just in Gamuda, but everywhere you go, you will stand out if you apply this. Yeah.
From the recap earlier before your presentation, when I watched the video, I was truly mind blown by the journey that Munira, high potential team has put you guys through. I can see that this training is very, very different from the rest of the other trainings that we have done in Gamuda Land. So well done to all of you. Give yourself a big hand, right?
On behalf of High Potentials, myself and Munira would like to thank everyone. I think it has been a great journey. You guys has been fantastic participants, and we are honored to actually go through that journey with you guys.